Our population at the moment, going by last census, 743 million. At independence, we were 3 million, so we're more than double, which means that we have backlog of education to catch up on, and we have to catch up soon, otherwise we'll find it very difficult as the year comes by to catch up.
I think it's something like 40% of our population is now under 15. So it tells you that it's a very young population, and it tells you the rate at which we're growing. It's obvious that if you cannot maintain the goods and services, you're going to get cracks, you're going to get problems, and it'll just exacerbate. As the uneducated youth get larger and larger, naturally it's going to create problems.
The official literacy rate for Papua New Guinea is 52%. Now, everyone knows that this is simply not the case. You go to any settlement, you go to any rural area, and you straight away find that, you're lucky to find above 10-15% of adults reading at a full literacy level. In order to create a nation with people literate, you need to provide those tools for them to become literate. So you need public libraries, you need to provide the access to the people.
We have 2 sessions every day, Mondays to Friday. In one session we have about 75 to 80 children, one session, and about 60 in the second session. It's more than 150 every day, so it's quite a lot of work. However, we have hands coming from our many staff here.
Buk bilong Pikinini nogat feeble. Me am straight because ligliget na start lining now. Lining mol something good, so me hope that bien bagolo big plus school. Brain blame clearing pinislo all sounds, all reading. Ba isilo catching na golo big plus school and me really amamas.
Come and see our job, said Vicky. 1, 2, 3.
We prepare children to continue on to formal education.
Thank you very much, good luck. I see Mom and Dad. We see Kipa.
Buk bilong Pikinini yang bringing bibila sawi kami salo community. Or papa mo istap lo wana mablo papa ningini. Buk bilong Pikinini kam you karami mi house tuam blo na sanapim. Emo se one bla gold blo you. You listen buk bilong Pikinini golos. Community blo you house line blo you holem good. By good bla behind blo picture blo Pikinini bayan kamo good bla mo. Look sa blo mi lo 9 mal mi to se mi bla drone mol. 8 bla mangi go outside lo last year. Now this all the mangi no go stop class 1 or 2, 3 no. Only go 3 na 4. Because Buk bilong Pikinini got more sawe. This is like more good plus sawe to na mi almas. Be proud.
I see me.
This is our home, a library, a community, where we have come to learn for our future.
They have the enthusiasm, and they're just getting out there and teaching our children to read, providing them books, going to difficult areas and making it happen, where we are sort of struggling.
We support it, we do it enthusiastically and genuinely. We think it is one of the simplest recipes for success in today's society. We are true believers.
Me like mo se mol Pikinini mas go kisin school na sawe moyet lo mi. Yes, me no bin kisin sawe good. Mi plo kita mama papa mi plus tapay ni mat lo baim school pi. Na all Pikinini all stop outside no got school na all go big pla. Me talk thank you lo this plus school em kam happy mol Pikinini. Lo kisin sawe na LP mi pla na me talk thank you.
Soon the big tree grew a lot of seeds. Most of the seeds were good. My name is Tahila. I come to Buk bilong Pikinini 5 days a week. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor.